Hey, how's it going, guys? This is Matt with MainCourseEncouragement, and I am here to serve you. So we're going to jump right into it today. Got something very exciting, getting organized, okay? And we hear this all the time, but we really don't initiate that organization that we need. And it's simply just by sitting down, gathering your thoughts together on what you're going to do, how you're going to do it, and then actually taking the action to do it. And that is so key to anything we do. And it's so important. And I have a hard time with this myself. I really do. But the more and more I implement this, the more and more I begin to use this, the more I see the benefits of being organized, understanding the objective. Okay, so first step of organization, you want to go ahead and first write down what do you want? Like what is it that you want to your end goal, your outcome of sorts? You know, what is this that you want? And once you get that, you're better adapt to go ahead and accomplish it because now you know what you want. Okay, after that, we need to go ahead and understand why we're doing this, okay? And that is so key because we could be doing something just to be doing it. All right, we know we need to clean the bathroom, but why you need to clean it? All right, we can apply this to any and everything, all these everyday steps to what we're doing, what we're trying to achieve, and what we're doing, and what we're trying to get accomplished. And it happens so much faster because it's like our mind get programmed and it's like, okay, mission, and we get the mission and then we complete it. And we got all this abundance of time. But when we got so many things going on, so many thoughts coming, we got to worry about the kids, or we got to worry about this. We got to worry about what we're going to cook. We got to worry about this, that, and we're all over the place. And then we end up getting nothing accomplished, or we get a small amount of it accomplished. Let's be serious. A bathroom don't take that long to clean. Cooking don't take that long to do. But if we begin to organize ourselves to accomplish these things, we'll get stuff done so much quicker, so much faster, so much better. And now we're being so much more productive, and we can, go ahead and do some of the things that we love to do and that we want to do and that we can do without being bogged down with all the stuff that we have to do. Because that's what's going on. We're so bogged down with things that we have to do. And it is so easy. So what we're going to do is we're going to, write it out. Like when you get stuff on paper, it is so much easier. So much easier when we begin to get these thoughts out on paper and we begin to initiate this stuff. We begin to use this stuff to our advantage. And now you're really winning. You could do it on your phone if that's the case, putting it on your calendar, setting it up on a to-do task or something like that. At the end of the day, you are here to accomplish things. And these things we have to do needs to be accomplished. So we're going to get it. We're going to get out what we need to do. Okay, so what is all the things we need to do for today? Don't think about tomorrow. Don't think about yesterday. What do you need to do today? All right, once we get today going, now we starting to figure out, okay, I need to handle this. I need to handle this. I need to do this. And then we can initiate it. Okay, why we need to do these things? Because I don't want to sit on a dirty toilet, or I want to have some food to eat for the next 2 or 3 days so I won't have to go out and make an excuse to buy lunch, because that's what we do. And then we end up spending more money, and then it's this cycle that repeats itself because we're not organized, we're not responsible, and we're not being disciplined. And we are disciplined because we want this. We really want this. We just haven't organized it. All right, and paper, phone, whatever it is you use or do is going to help you organize these things. Okay, so after we get that done, what it is we want to do, okay, why we want to do it. All right, then we have the last step, which is doing it, okay? Okay, it's going to take you 30 minutes to clean dishes. Cool, bam, that's done, 30 minutes. All right, it's going to take you 20 minutes to clean a bathroom. It's going to take you an hour to do cooking, to cook dinner. So that's only 2 hours of your time taken because you got organized. And that's not including, it's just an estimate. It's not including, you may get done faster, you may get done quicker. And now you got 2 hours of your time knocked out of stuff you have to do. Now you have, 2-3 hours of stuff you want to do, and then you begin the same process. Look, start small, start slow, okay? Start to implement it on, doing the dishes or cleaning the car or all these small things. And the more you implement it, the better it's going to get. The more you're going to be like, okay, What is it that I'm trying to accomplish? What is it that I'm trying to do? And then going out and doing it, okay? Look, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you really did. It gives me so much energy to talk about this because I know it's going to help you. It's helping me. It's helping me in so many ways, all right? And just taking that time to implement these steps are going to make us more productive, make us accomplish more, do more, have more, be more. And that's what it's all about. So let's go ahead and let's do this. Remember, you're better than that. You got to continuously tell yourself that I'm better than that. All right? So go ahead, like, comment, subscribe below, and let's get it done.